Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on the Motorola Edge 60. Alright, so let's begin. So as you can see, we are doing the setup process in here. Simply select the language that you are interested in and then click on Start. And now we have the first thing that we are interested in, which is setup using another device. It is the first method that I want to show you. So now we need to scan the QR code using our second device. So that's the first way how we are gonna transfer data into that device. So now simply scan the QR code. Okay, now you should connect to this device. Now we need to verify that it's us. I need to now type the lock screen from my previous device, so that is what I'm going to do now. Okay, now we are connecting to the Wi-Fi automatically. We don't need to do this manually. Now let's simply wait, getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes, have that in mind. Alright, first we have the privacy and security options. I suggest you shouldn't do anything in here. I'm just gonna click on accept and continue. But of course, if you want to change something, you can do it and read it for yourself. Alright, now we have checking network info. Now again, let's simply wait. Now again, getting account info. We still need to be waiting. And here I'm gonna click on skip because I don't have my SIM card for now. I'm gonna click on to skip. Unlocking with the fingerprint. Of course, you can set it up later in the settings. Now, copy data from your Android device. We are definitely interested in that, so click on next. Now, let's wait again. Okay, getting ready to copy. This might take a few minutes, so again, we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now after the loading screen, we have option to choose what we want to copy. You can copy apps, photos and videos, music and other audio, SMS messages, device settings, and the call history. For example, when it comes to the apps, if you select it right in here, you don't need to, copy all of them, all 72. You can simply click on apps, and in here you can select or unselect the apps that you want to copy or not to copy. Then click on OK, and that's all. In my case, I don't want any apps to be copied. I only want photos and videos and the rest of this stuff. So now click on copy. Now the copying data process will start in the background. Now we have the Google services. I suggest you shouldn't change anything in here. I'm gonna simply click on accept. Now back up your device. That's the thing I also want to enable. So in my case, I'm gonna enable photos and videos and other device data. Then click on turn on backup. Now choose your browser and the search engine. In my case, it's gonna be the Google Chrome as my default browser and the Google as my search engine. Okay, now the phone asks us to continue the setup. Let's click on continue. In here, I want to click on agree. Now we have the Gemini, which is the AI assistant. I'm gonna turn it on in my case. I'm gonna skip the Google Play. Google Pay, not the Google Play, sorry, my bad. Click on OK in here. And now, as you can see, the copying is done. So, click on done. Again, getting your phone ready. So, again, we need to wait a little bit until it's finished. Okay, now we have stay in touch option with the Motorola. I'm gonna sign in to, I don't know actually what. I'm gonna disable the live lock screen. As my navigation style, I'm gonna use the buttons. I'm gonna select also the light theme. I'm gonna skip the parental controls. Now click on finish. Click on go to my home screen. And now we are ready to use our device. And some of the apps will be now installing in the background from the Google Play Store. Make sure also that your Wi-Fi is enabled and you are connected. Okay, so that is the first method. Alright, and I'm gonna show the second method, which is by restoring the backup from the Google One. If you don't know also how to create such a backup, on our channel there is a video and I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, so again we are doing the setup process, and now when we have set up using another device, we want to click on skip. Just like that. Now we need to connect into the Wi-Fi manually. So that is what I'm going to do now. Simply select your Wi-Fi. Now connect. Okay. Just like that. Now getting your phone ready. This might take a few minutes. So now let's simply wait. Now again, click on accept and continue. Getting your phone ready. Once more, we need to wait. Okay, and now we have option to sign in into our Google account, and now we need to log in into the same Google account on which we made the backup. So let's do it. I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, then click on next. Now I need to enter up my password. Okay, then click on next. I'm gonna be using this device. Click on next. Click on I agree. In here I'm gonna click on skip. I don't have a SIM card. I'm also gonna skip the pin. In here click on next. And now we have option that we are interested in, restore data from another device. In here we need to choose a backup from that list. I'm gonna select the backup that I made 24 minutes ago. Click on OK. So just simply select the backup that you want. Now choose what to restore. I want to restore everything. Click on restore. Now we need to wait. Okay, again we have the Google services just like in the previous method. I'm gonna rush it through. I'm gonna turn on the backup. Now we have the default browser and the search engine. I'm gonna select the Google Chrome as my default and Google as my search engine. I'm gonna click on to continue the setup. In here I want to click on that I agree. Now we have the Gemini, which is the AI. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna skip the Google Pay. In here click OK. Now wait until the loading screen will vanish. It might take a little bit, so I'll see you once it's done. Okay. We are after the loading screen. I can allow to send me notifications. I'm gonna sign in to get some information. I'm gonna disable the live log screen. As my navigation style, I'm gonna leave the buttons, then click on next. Now the theme. I'm gonna select the light one. Click on next. I'm gonna skip the parental controls. Now click on finish. Click on go to my home screen. And now we are ready to use our device. Some of the apps will be downloaded in the background. You can see it right in here that they are being restored, and they will be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.